This is a video tutorial of the iSimulate platform. iSimulate allows you to join groups of users to work together in real time on economic models, to connect with a growing community of expert practitioners over the internet, and to share your expertise and publish your economic models to reach out to a diverse audience. Once you log in to the iSimulate, you get to this customized screen which shows you all kinds of information about what's going on within the iSimulate community. But in this short video we're going to focus on opening up a model and making changes to some of the criteria and solve it. To do this, you click on Execute Simulations, and at this point I need to choose a group, so I'll just choose a public group from which I launch an application within this group. And this application in this example will be the World Bank Global application. Here it's showing me that I need to select a country. I can either do this from the pull down box, or more interestingly I can look at this country tag cloud. Similar to any other kinds of tag cloud, the size of the font indicates the popularity of the chosen tag, in this case a country. So if this shows me that Mexico had many more simulations done on it than, let's say, Italy or Israel or such smaller font size countries. So let's just do a simulation on Mexico. Clicking on a country name opens up the data model for the country, and here it shows me the economic variable available here, as well as the time series data from 97 to 2009. I can change any of the values here, just like a regular spreadsheet, by clicking on the cell and making a change, and see the effect once I solve the model on the other variables. So let's just suppose that the value here for GDP at 2% GDP change is maybe too low, and I feel that it probably should be higher, or I can see the effect on the rest of the variable if it is indeed higher. So let's just say it's 3.5. Once I make a change on a cell, it actually shows up with a little red triangle indicating a change has been made. And let's just solve this model with this one small change. The system asked me to add in a comment, so I just say, for example, GDP value changed to 3.5. The reason why we need to do this is because once I make a change, it affects the model. If somebody else is also working on the model at the same time, they will get a notification telling them that the change has occurred. So now the model is being solved, and this is actually done locally, and so the effect is not in the final model, it's just in my own version of it, if you will. So now I see that changing the value to 3.5 has affected other variables in the economy, and I scroll down and I see these color coordinated cells here showing me the difference in values elsewhere. Now I can continue making changes like this, or if I'm happy with the new model I came up with, I can just click here and update the model. What this will do is it will then go back to the iSimulate database and enter these new values in. Again, this is very much a wiki type collaboration platform, allowing anybody who belongs to this group to be able to come in and make changes and comment, annotate those changes. So this is all kept in a log file. So this was a very short introduction to iSimulate. There's many other features, but we wanted to focus on the model aspect of iSimulate.